How to connect your Bose soundbar to your TV using an HDMI cable. Let's get started right away. If you don't have one of these HDMI cable, I'll put a link towards Amazon in the description down below. On the back of your soundbar, you should have the HDMI port right over here where it says HDMI ARC. So take one end of the cable and connect it there. Then go on the back of your TV and we need to find the HDMI port that says EARC or ARC. In my case, it's the HDMI number 2, but in your case could be the first one, or you can also have many more HDMI ports. The important thing is to connect it right in the one that says ARC. Next step is to turn on the soundbar, and then we need to put it in TV mode by pressing the TV button on the remote control. In my case, it's already in TV mode. Then take the TV remote control. Here I have an LG TV. Yours may be slightly different. And we need to go into the settings. So I have a small settings button right over here on my remote control. Go down and select sound out. And make sure you have HDMI ARC selected. Right away, the sound should come out of your soundbar. The good thing about connecting your Bose soundbar to your TV using this method is that you won't need to use the Bose remote control to adjust the volume. You can use your TV remote control, and every time you go volume up or down, it will change those settings on the soundbar as well. It's very useful, and in a way, if you misplace this remote control, you lose it, you'll still be able to use your soundbar without any issues. If you're having troubles and you don't hear anything coming out of your soundbar, there's a good chance there's a few settings you need to change. Go back in your TV menu, in the audio menu. Here I'll select all settings, sound, advanced settings, go down, and here where it says digital sound output, in my case PCM is selected and it works great for me, but in your case try selecting other options that are available for you. Try auto and try pass through. There's a good chance by changing this setting it will make the sound go from your TV to your soundbar. Also, if you go down, there's a good chance you're going to have EARC support. Make sure this is turned on as well. Another cool trick by using an HDMI cable is if I turn off my TV using my TV remote control, it will also turn off the soundbar automatically. And every time I turn back on my TV, the soundbar will power on and will output the sound without me having again to touch this remote control. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment down below if I can improve something in this tutorial or if you liked it.